This is a presentation on subtracting fractions with like denominators by Mathematically Marcia. Subtracting fractions with like denominators is very similar to adding fractions. We just add or subtract the numerators and the denominator just stays the same. So in this case we have 3 minus 1, which is 2, and we keep the denominator of 7. So that would be 2 over 7. Again, we have a common denominator of 12, so we can subtract the numerators. 7 minus 5 is 2. Keep the denominator of 12. Now this denominator can actually be reduced, so we need to divide each of these by common factor of 2. And that'll give me 1 over 6. Anytime you can, you want to reduce your fraction. Okay, next example. We have a common denominator of 8. So numerators 9 minus 7 equals 2. Keep the common denominator of 8. And then we do have common factor again of 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. And 8 divided by 2 is 4. So that would be 1 over 4. All right, 3 minus 3 is 0 over 5. And 0 over anything just reduces to 0. Also, knowing the rules of subtraction, when you subtract a number by itself, you get 0. The same is true for fractions or decimals or any kind of number. So 3/5 minus 3/5 would be 0. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button below. Also, subscribe to my channel to see more math videos. And if you'd like to see some other topics, please share that in the comments below. Or if you have questions or comments about this video, please share that in the comments section. And thank you for watching.